This is another amazing accessory, which is 1080p Sony lens reverse camera. It's got 3 wonderful features. One of them is 160-degree viewing angle. It's got a better low light performance and the live recording feature with CC3. Now let's connect it. To install your TEYES Sony reverse camera, firstly connect the red power plugs and connect the ground cable to the chassis of the car. Connect the yellow video input cable and then connect the other end to the F port. Connect your reverse trigger to the reverse light. If this is connected to your canvas, disconnect immediately.